Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School and today's topic is Festivals of the World for Class 6 GK. General knowledge of your general knowledge book of yours and the 16th chapter Festivals of the World. As you all know, what does a festival mean? A festival is basically a time when people gather and experience happiness. They forget all their problems in life and they get into it and they make it a happy memory. वो एक recreate में का जो टाइम है, रिक्रिएशन का जो टाइम है वो हो जाता है उनके लिए, जहाँ पे वो रिलैक्स करते हैं and they feel happy around everything around them. There are these some festivals from around the world, and just let us see how many of them have we heard and what is their importance. Thousands of festivals are celebrated all over the world every year. Singing, dancing, religious ceremonies, costumes, and processions are features of many festivals. This is some basic information about the festival. Okay. The first one is the Beber Festival of Brides or Imchil Festival. Is a traditional marriage festival celebrated by Berber people in Imchil, Morocco, North Africa, every September. Young men and women from different villages gather here to find a marriage partner. So basically, this is a marriage festival. It is in the town of Imchil, and it is done by the Berber culture. Okay, there was this one whole story that there were these two young people from different tribes who fell in love, but were forbidden to see each other from their family. The family does not allow them to get married. The grief was so much, the pain was so much in both their hearts that they cried so much that they died while crying. Okay? And then their families were very upset with whatever happened. They lost their children with all those things, and then they decided to establish the day on the anniversary of these two people's death, where the members from local tribe could marry each other. उसके बाद में इन लोगों ने जो आपस में marrying का जो culture है वो allow कर दिया था. वो उनके डेथ होने के बाद में there were just two people who were in love with each other. They wanted to marry each other. Their family did not let them do, और उन दोनों को इतना दुख हुआ कि उन दोनों ने रो रो के अपनी जान दे दी. वो दोनों मर गए. तो अब हर साल उनकी जो डेथ एनिवर्सरी होती है उसमें ये जो बेबर्स फेस्टिवल ऑफ ब्राइड्स है या जो इमचिल फेस्टिवल है वो सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है, so that people from the local tribes can marry each other. The next one is Mardi Gras. Is a festival celebrated in many parts of the world. It includes colorful street processions with bright clothes, music, and dancing. It is also called Fat Tuesday or Shrove Tuesday, as people eat fatty food before the ritual fasting for the Lenten season. This is basically a Christian festival, okay? And it is at some places also. There are like 3 Kings Day करके एक situation है जिसके अंदर ये जो है वो it is one of those 3 days, okay? And this is to bring ये actually में एक to bring fertility to the world का जो है एग्रीकल्चर को ले लो, लोगों के अंदर ले लो, for the growth of everything लोग जो है वो fasting करते हैं. It is observed in the mid December. It was observed in the mid December time in at some point of time. Nowadays it generally comes in the February March time. Spring आने से पहले उस टाइम ये लोग फास्ट करते हैं ताकि जो स्प्रिंग है या जो गॉड्स है वो प्लीज हो जाए और उनको एक अच्छा कल्टीवेशन दे. नेक्स्ट डे ये फास्ट करते हैं और उससे पहले दिन फैटी फूड खाते हैं, मींस वेरी हेवी फूड जो है वो खाते हैं वो इसके अंदर में. ठीक है. And there's long processions जिसके अंदर लोग बहुत bright colored और different costumes पहन के जो है वो निकलते हैं. Then there is masses. Masses is basically an African festival. It is generally held in the November time period. Okay, Masses of Africa are warriors. They are expected to be brave and fierce. One test of their courage is a traditional lion hunt. Before the hunt, the warrior performs a ritual dance called Namba. ठीक है, मासीज जो है वो उसको एक बहुत ही ब्रेव और फियरलेस ट्राइब माना गया है, एंड दे हैव सम टेस्ट व्हिच दे हैव टू पास टू बिकम अ रियल मासिस। तो वो जो पूरा प्रोसीजर है उसके अंदर ये पूरा फेस्टिवल जो है वो मनाया जाता है। दे आल्सो डू अ ट्रेडिशनल डांस व्हिच इज कॉल्ड एज Namba. Then we have La Tomatina, which is I think the most common festival जो आप लोगों ने सुना हुआ है, probably because of the movie जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. It was shown in that movie. La Tomatina festival is celebrated in Spain on the last Wednesday of August every year. Around 50,000 locals and foreigners descend on the streets to throw tomatoes at one another. This is generally on the last Wednesday of August, okay, and there's no other thing they do. They just gather there for entertainment purpose and throw tomatoes. एक तरीके से टमाटर की होली होती है ये जो पूरी होती है, ठीक है? It started in August 1945. There's some history that those two people went to somewhere and they got very angry about something, and when they were coming back they threw things at people everywhere, and they were passing through a vegetable market or something, so उनके हाथ में बहुत सारे टमाटर आए and they started hitting that ठीक है, and all those things were going on. Then on the next year also something happened that some young people they engaged in some pre-planned quarrel and brought their own tomatoes. और next year उन लोगों ने क्या किया, इसको एक ट्रेंड की तरह ले लिया कि अच्छा पिछले साल इस दिन के दौरान उन्होंने टमाटर से लड़ाई करी थी, हम आज भी ऐसे करें, and then this started, okay, and it became a festival. Then the next one is cheese rolling. Cheese rolling is basically a annual event that is held in England. We'll just read it first and then. Cheese rolling festival is celebrated in the United Kingdom. The festival involves an official tossing of a cheese down the extreme steep hill, and after which hundreds of people begin to run to the hill in order to catch the cheese. तो basically ये इतना सा ही function है, एक छोटा hill होता है, उसके ऊपर से एक cheese को नीचे फेंका जाता है, definitely a big size one, and people run after it to catch that piece of cheese. सिर्फ उस चीज को पकड़ने के लिए जो लोग हैं उसके पीछे पीछे दौड़ते रहते हैं, and this is an annual event. Around 3 to 4 किलोग्राम का जो रोस्टेड चीज है उसको रोल डाउन किया जाता है, ठीक है, जिसका लेंथ जो है वो अराउंड 200 yards है, ठीक है. Competitors after that runs after the cheese, and the one who wins the first prize is given the cheese as the prize. It is believed to be around a 600-year-old procession or a whole event, and the history is quite unclear of something of that. Thaipusam or Thaipusam is a Tamil festival which is celebrated in India in the Hindu community, and it is the full moon of the month Thai, which generally is in January or February. Okay, it is celebrated as the birth of Murugan, which is the god, son of Lord Shiva and Parvati. Kartikeya जिनका नाम आपने अगर सुना हुआ है तो ये वही है. Okay, it is also celebrated in Singapore and Malaysia. It is a national holiday for many countries like Malaysia, Sri Lanka, and Mauritius, and Tamil Nadu. It is a state holiday. ऐसा माना जाता है that there was this battle going on between the Asurs and Devas, and that time this whole thing created, and this कार्तिकेय जो थे शिव जी के जो बेटे हैं वो वहां पे आ गए थे, मतलब साउथ इंडिया में रहने के लिए, and then he started living there only, and he became the god of there, and then his birth is celebrated. His birth is celebrated as this festival. Then we have bonfire of Saint John. Uh, Bonfire of Saint John is a popular festival in Spain. It is held from the 19th to 24th June every year. The strange festival includes lighting of bonfires fueled by old furniture. This is a very strange thing that is happening here. 19 से लेके 24 जून तक ये रोज जो है वो bonfire festival celebrate किया जाता है. Bonfires जलाई जाती है जगह जगह. Bonfires आप सबने देखा होगा कैंपिंग में होता है कि there's a small fire which is built and people sit around it, उसको bonfire कहते हैं, and it is done by using old furniture. The history of this particular is said that these witches and all those things used to roam around. तो लोगों ने क्या किया, हर जगह bonfire जलाना शुरू कर दिया, so that the people could roam around. क्योंकि ऐसा माना जाता था that this bonfires actually refract या वो दूर करती है witches और evil spirits को. ठीक है, तो that started and then it became a whole tradition and everything started in that way. Some areas, bonfires are also called as TQs, and people dance over there. Then they do this fireworks and everything, and these kind of things work out there. Okay, so these were the festivals of the world. I hope all of you understood everything and were surprised to see many of these traditions, because I was. I hope it was clear to all. Thank you.